What's up guys, Bearded Trooper here, and today we're stripping down some more parts off the Cherokee I have sitting in the garage. Alright, let's get some of this junk out of here. This will hold it up. So that's how we're holding the hood up. Because I took the prop rod off already. We need this computer system and try to get this fuse box out of here too. Save the screw in case he needs a screw. Need something to get down in there. Oh, maybe might be easier if we just take this bolt off. Oh, that's interesting. Bolt goes all the way through, and that's how this hooks to the thing. It's kind of holds it so it stays connected. That's pretty neat. Got a little ground strap here. That's disconnected. That just pull out. Oh, there we go. Oh, another screw on the bottom here. Looks like one here in the front. Hold on, camera's in the way. Almost didn't look like a bolt here. Alright. Yeah, we got that out. So after fighting with this thing for like an hour, I realized some of the wires were already cut. So I just ended up cutting this. If you can use it, great. If you can use it, great. If not, there's some parts. So fuse, computer's great. That's still in good shape. And some extra wire. Alright, so I got the jumper cables hooked up. We'll see if we can start up ZipTie here, and well, let's give it a shot. Been sitting all winter. Let's see what we got. Nothing. Let's check the connection on the jumper cables. Let's see what we got. Finally got the battery connection good, so I have lights in here, so there's power. Let's see if she'll start up. Guess she needs a little bit more charging time first. Almost. I have to keep feathering the gas to get it to keep going. It just dies. Let it run for a minute. Huh, dies right out. There we go. Cleaned out the fuel a little bit. Once again, she's running. All right, so it's the next day here and it's like 60 degrees out. It's wonderful for working on the Jeep. I'm in a t-shirt. It's one of the few days that I've actually been able to be in a t-shirt and not even be a little bit chilly. The sun's really nice. I got some of this Lucas Deep Clean fuel system cleaner because it seemed yesterday when I got the Cherokee started, it kind of seemed to spit and sputter a little, and I think the gas has just been in there a while. It doesn't really have fresh gas, so hoping to put this in there and get some cleaning action going. Get the fuel system cleaned up and hopefully it'll run a little bit better till I can get some good gas in it. I'd like to burn up all that gas before I actually put in new gas, and then yeah, so let's get that done. And just, there we go, dump the bottle in. Guess I kind of have to hold down on it. There we go. I can't let the Jeep run long enough right now because I still have these lines pinched in the front. That's the transmission cooler, or that's the transmission lines there. I'm gonna install a cooler because I'm overriding. I'm not gonna have AC anymore, and I'm just gonna take the pump that's in there and turn that to onboard air. But if I keep this running too long, it'll overheat and blow coolant everywhere, and that's never a good thing. So I may try to get it started here in a minute just to cycle that stuff through. But we need to do that. I need a track bar still, an adjustable track bar. I gotta find one. I don't have a whole lot of cash right now, so I can't just go out and buy one. And I got the front passenger tire all inflated yesterday, but I didn't get the rear because my cord on my little tiny onboard air compressor couldn't reach. So I'm gonna see if I can come up with something here to get this one pumped up, because I don't want it just sitting like that. All right, let me show you what I got going on. I got my Jeep here, my Wrangler, charging my Cherokee. So I have power. That reaches in my cigarette lighter, and the air compressor plugged in, filling up the tire. So it's working. Now this compressor is supposed to stop once it reaches the desired PSI, so let's see if it actually does that. Just kind of my pre-test before I release a review on it. I really do test the products to make sure they're not complete and utter garbage before I recommend them to you guys, and if they are, I'm gonna let you know. Alright, she's been charging for a little bit. Let me see if we can get her to start again. Run some of that fuel cleaner stuff down into the engine. Look at that, she started right up. It wasn't too bad. So I think it's official. I think I'm gonna call it ZipTie. So this is Project ZipTie now, and she's looking a little bit better now. She's got air in her tires. I sprayed down a couple of things with sprayed down a couple of the bolts and stuff with WD-40 because we will be installing a lift in her, and we put that gas cleaner stuff in the gas tank, so that should help out quite a bit. But let me show you what's gonna go in the Jeep. I don't think I've ever shown you guys. Lift strut problems. Alright. Kind of dark. There we go. We got 4.5 inch springs and coil springs and the leaf springs. And let me show you here. In the back, these are in better shape. Got these 5.5 inch coils. They're practically brand new. So I'll probably put those 5.5 inch coils. And then I got spacers. So this thing's gonna be awesome. So we got the coils, the leaf springs. I still need to get some control arms or like spacers or something because it's gonna be sitting up a lot higher. I just want to get it lifted up a little bit so it's a lot easier to work on. If you've ever worked on a stock vehicle and then you go to working on a lifted vehicle, it's 1,000 times easier and better working on a lifted vehicle. You just have so much more room to maneuver on and work underneath it. So I think I'm gonna do that pretty soon here. It's starting to get really nice out. It's like 60 out today. Did I mention that? I was gonna do it. I have a long weekend this weekend. I have Good Friday off, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday it's supposed to be raining. So I don't think I'm gonna be working on the Cherokee any. Maybe I'll luck out and it'll be halfway decent weather, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I wanted to show you a little more of actually working on the Cherokee instead of just talking about working on it. And officially I'm calling it ZipTie. So this is now Project ZipTie. Big things to come this summer. I hope to get it at least most of the way built up and into the garage for winter. Hopefully I can fix that garage, because if you saw my last video, you know it's an icy disaster right now. So click that like button if you like Cherokees and you want to see more of this, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And as always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.